So what comes over here? X raised to 4. Bolo.
Minus 4x
Minus
cube
4x
plus x square.
plus 1x square.
Minus, plus and minus. Those who have done it and those who have half done it, check where have you got it wrong. What comes over here?
Minus 2x cube.
Minus 2x cube. Minus 27x square.
Just a minute, children, just a minute. Continue solving. Minus 2x cube and plus 2x cube gets cancelled. What comes here?
Minus 35x square
Minus 35x square.
Plus.
plus 140x minus 30.
Minus 35.
So here the term is minus 35. Minus 35 into, just a minute. Minus 35 into x square is minus 35x square. Minus into minus is plus 140x. And minus into 1 is minus 35. Because of minus, plus, minus and plus, everything has got cancelled. Has everything got cancelled, children, over here?
Yes.
So those who had done silly mistakes in additions and subtractions, minus 27 minus 8 or something like that, or here also 138 and 2, you might have done this 136, something like that. So x square, what is the remaining polynomial? X square minus 2x minus 35. Obviously it is going to be x minus 7, and on splitting, how you would have split x minus 7x plus 5x minus 35? Yes or no?
Yes.
So
Yes,
x minus 7 and x plus 5. So x is equal to 7 and x is equal to minus 5 would have been the remaining two factors. Yes or no?
Yes.
Right.
Yes, sir.
Is this point clear?
Yes, sir.
What happened? Those who had not got the answer, what was the issue? You tell me. Where you had done a mistake? Plus minus signs. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Fine. ठीक है, चलो. Last sum of that exercise. Again, a very important sum. Now, children, see here. Just pay attention for a minute. Pay attention over here for a minute. In various books, the sum is done in different ways. We will keep it simple. How we know? First term divided by first term. We will not go for that bracket, combining the terms. असलं अवघड काही करायचं नाही. We will keep it as simple as possible. Okay. Let us take that sum. Last question of the exercise. Everybody will pay attention. If the polynomial is divided by another polynomial, you get the remainder. They have given us the remainder. Okay. So let me write about the question. Last question from the textbook. If possible, we'll check if we have some extra sums related to this, or else we'll start with the next topic. If the polynomial x raised to 4 minus 6x cube plus 16x square minus 25x is divided by another polynomial. The remainder comes out to be x plus a. What are they speaking about? Children, what are they speaking about? What are they speaking about? Dividing one polynomial by another polynomial. Can we divide one polynomial by another polynomial?
Yes.
Yes.
So let us divide. Let us divide and see what happens. And whatever is the remainder, we will equate that remainder with x plus a because they are saying the remainder is x plus a. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So let us long divide the two polynomials. Yes or no? Let us long divide them. Let us long divide. So start long dividing. All of you will start dividing it on your own. Do not wait for me. Yes. What is the first polynomial? X square
X square.
minus 2x plus k, which is going to divide whom? X raised to 4 minus 6x cube plus 16x square minus 25x plus 10. Immediately in my rough work, first term divided by first term. X raised to 4 upon x square. The answer is x square, which is my quotient term. X square into x square is x raised to 4. X square into minus 2 x cube. X square into k is plus kx square. On subtracting, plus becomes minus, minus becomes plus becomes minus. Let me draw this line. X raised to 4 and minus x raised to 4 will get cancelled. Very carefully. Minus 6 plus 2. What?
Minus 4x.
Minus
And now, see, this is 16 and k, two different terms. Bring them as it is. What they are doing? They are doing 16 minus k and x square as common. We are not going to do any such difficult things. Plus 16x square minus kx square. Yeah, three terms I have got. Minus 25x plus 10 come down as it is. Again in my rough work, first term minus 4x cube upon x square, 2x6 get cancelled, minus 4x remains. Here comes a minus 4x. Minus 4x into x square is minus 4x cube. Minus 4 into minus 2 is plus 8x square. Minus 4x into k is minus 4kx, x term it is, below minus 25. Minus 4k into x. Because of minus, minus becomes plus, plus becomes minus, minus becomes plus. Let me draw a line. Minus 4x cube as usual has got cancelled with the first term 4x cube. 16 minus 8 is 8x square. Minus kx square. Minus 25x is a different term. Plus 4kx is one more term of x plus 10. Immediately first term 8x square upon x square, x square, x square gets cancelled. Just 8 remains. Comes here just an 8. 8 into x square is 8x square. 8 2s are 16 minus 16x below minus 25x and 8k, totally different term, plus 8k. Because of minus, plus becomes minus, minus becomes plus, plus becomes minus. Keep it simple. Do not complicate the terms. See, it's so easy. 8x square has cancelled with minus 8x square. Minus kx square is brought down. Minus kx square. Minus 25 plus 16. How many?
Minus 9.
minus
Plus 4kx plus 10 minus 8k. And again, if I try dividing, Still this x square and x square can be divided. Minus kx square upon x square. X square and x square gets cancelled. Minus k remains. So minus k will now come here. Minus k into x square is minus kx square. Minus k into minus 2 plus 2kx. Below 4kx comes a plus 2kx. Yes or no? And minus k into k is minus k square. Altogether a different term. Minus, plus, minus, plus. Very interesting remainder I am going to get. Minus x square and plus x square got cancelled. Minus 9x plus 2kx plus, I'm going to write all this in a quadratic form. K square minus 8k plus 10. I'm not in place, plus 10. K plus k square minus 8k plus 10. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Completed the division. Everybody, have you completed the division along with me? So very important division this is. Completed?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Everybody
Yes,
has
Yes, sir.
completed. I'm going to turn the page. Shall I turn the page?
Yes, sir.
Huh.
Yes, sir.
Now tell me, therefore, remainder is equal to what? Tell me the remainder.
Minus 9x.
Minus 9x.
Sir,
Huh?
the screen has become green.
No, beta.
Minus 2k.
Minus 2kx.
Minus
Plus 2kx असेल.
Sir,
Huh?
Yes,
I
it's
can't see the screen.
Just a minute, children. Wait. Yes. Who is having a problem? Yes, tell me.
Kunal. Kunal.
Kunal?
Yes,
Kunal,
sir.
what happened, Kunal?
I can't see the screen, sir.
Children, can you all see the screen?
no, sir.
What is happening?
Sir, in between.
Yes, sir. Now it's visible.
So if children you're not able to see the screen, yeah, it should be because of connectivity issue. In a while it will become clear. Minus 9x plus what?
2kx
Correct. Plus
Okay.
plus
plus x square. K square
a square
minus 8k
8k
10.
plus 10. Huh?
plus 10.
Now see, now here I will take out x common. So what remains? Minus 9 plus 2k into x. Yes or no? Plus, I have taken out x common from the first two terms. Why? I will tell you. Because yes or no, this is our yes or no, children. This is the remainder what we have got.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
But what is the remainder that they have given to us? They have given us remainder is x plus a in the question. Yes or no? Yes or no, children?
Yes.
Ha. If you check the question, see here, they are saying, if you check the question, they are saying us remainder is x plus a. Means we want the remainder to be of the form x plus a. That is why x plus a means coefficient of x should be coefficient of x, that is 1. Whatever part is remaining, that will be a. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
therefore, what is the coefficient of x? Minus 9 plus 2k becomes 1 because x ka coefficient is 1. And the remaining quadratic equation, k square minus 8k plus 10. All this is nothing but a. because this x plus a. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So I will solve this now. Let me solve 2k. 2k becomes what? 1 plus 9. Minus 9 comes and becomes plus 9. Yes or no? 2k becomes 10.
Yes, sir.
K becomes 10 by 2. Ultimately, k becomes 5.
Hi.
And let me substitute value of k over here. Let me substitute using k is equal to 5. All of you put the value of k as 5 and find out the value of k. So I'm going to get 5 square minus 8 into 5 minus 8. Array. Okay. Plus 10 is equal to a. So it's 25 minus 40 plus 10 is equal to a. Minus 15 plus 10 is equal to a. Minus 5 is equal to
Hi.
minus 5. Do you get a as minus 5, children?
Yes.
Kunal, can you see the whiteboard now?
Yes, sir. I
Okay,
can see.
okay. Thus, the values of k and a are plus 5 and minus 5 respectively. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Then have you understood what we have done?
Yes.
We divided the two polynomials, found out the remainder, and equated the remainder with given remainder. Given remainder is x plus a, and our remainder is something, a bracket x plus another bracket. So coefficient of x is 1, another bracket is a. Have you drawn these arrows? How I have drawn over here? How have I drawn these arrows over here? Have you drawn these arrows? To show that coefficient of x becomes 1, whatever is remaining, that part becomes a. If you want, you can put a bracket over here so that this bracket becomes a. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Children, are we understanding this part?
Yes.
Fine. This is the last sum, important sum from our textbook. I guess I have one or two extra sums to be solved, and then we finish with this chapter. We can start with our new chapter. Just let me confirm what is remaining. Yes. Finished? Understood?
Yes, sir.
Take down a question. What was here a question? If a polynomial is divided by another polynomial, remainder is x plus a. Now I'll tell you, if a polynomial is divided by another polynomial, remainder is px plus q. Can you find out the values of p and q then? Similarly,
Yes.
exactly
Yes.
similar question I'm giving. Start doing it. Chalo. Start doing it. If p of x is equal to x raised to 4 plus 2x cube, write down the question all of you, plus 8x square plus 12x plus 18 is divided by x square plus 5. The remainder comes out to be px plus q. Remainder is px plus q. Find the values of p and q. What do we need to do? What do we need to do?
Long divide.
Chalo, start long dividing. Let's long divide the given two polynomials. Divide it, all of you. X square plus 5. Is going to divide. You are not going to wait for me. Solve it on your own. Does the division stop at 2x plus 3?
Yes.
So what is the remainder?
Yes, sir.
Remainder is
2x
what?
plus
But
2x.
remainder is what? But what is the remainder?
px plus q.
Yes.
Plus
Px
2.
plus
Remainder given to us is px plus q. So what do you get? Therefore,
P is equal
p is equal to,
to 2
and
and
q
q
is,
is equal to 3.
did you get the answer? P is equal to 2 and q is equal to 3. Any difficulty?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Are we understanding, children? Write the final answer statement. Are we understanding this part, all of us?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Finished?
Yes.
Sir.
Take down homework sums. Tell me, if 10 is given to you, what are you going to find out? 10 is given means one factor is given. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
And then divide the given polynomial by the factor. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
Chalo. Down the questions. One of the zeros of the polynomial. One of the zeros of the polynomial 7x minus 6 minus x cube. So what is actually the polynomial? What is actually the polynomial?
minus x cube plus 7x minus 6.
Correct. Or else minus x cube plus 0x square plus 7x minus 6. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
One of the zeros of the polynomial this is 1. So if 1 is the zero, who is the factor?
X
X
minus
minus 1.
And then what you will do? You will divide x cube wala polynomial by x minus 1. Yes or no?
yes, sir.
Huh.
Yes, sir.
And children, x cube divided by x, the new polynomial will come in terms of x square. And x square means degree 2 means 2 other factors. And anyways, degree 3 means it is going to have 3 factors, out of which 1 I have given, 2 you have to find. Can you find out?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
Find its other factors. Okay, this is one question. Number 2. One of the zeros of the polynomial x cube plus 13x square plus 12x, wait, x cube plus 13x square plus 31x minus 45 is minus 9. 1 0 is minus 9. Who is the factor?
X plus 9.
Plus
And if x plus 9 is a factor, what will you do? What will you do? Huh?
divide.
Divide the given polynomial by x plus 9. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Huh.
Yes, sir.
The polynomial p of x is equal to x raised to 4 minus 3x cube minus 13x square plus 12x plus 4 is divided by g of x is equal to x square minus x plus 2. Find the values of m and n. Find the values of m and n. If the remainder comes out to be mx plus n. Fine.
Yes.
Just like this. 2x plus 3 px plus q. Can we find out?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
These 3 questions are for homework. Have you all written the homework part?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Before we wind up for the day, before we stop for the day, children, do you know today's news? Today's news, do we know, children, what has happened in the Olympics? What has happened in the Olympics? पता है क्या?
Yes, sir.
What happened? बोलो. Tell.
India has won medal for
India
the on the first
In which event have we won a medal? Which medal and in which event?
Weightlifting.
Silver medal.
Silver medal.
Correct.
Weightlifting.
Exactly. Who has won it?
Weightlifting.
क्या नाम है उनका?
Mirabai Chanu.
Mirabai Chanu. Very, very good. See, children, we must be updated about all these things. See, Olympics is a world event as good as a World Cup cricket or World Cup football. We have craze of only one or two things. We will be watching cricket, we'll be following cricket, we'll be following football. But these Olympic games are equally important. Government has given a lot of focus on that. They are going to award them with lakhs rupees, crores of rupees also. They'll be getting good government job services also. But apart from that, see, they have brought laurels to the country. They She has won the silver medal. First of all, the first medal this year's, so brought in by a lady. So congratulations to the female fraternity. Proud of you. I am proud of her. She has made the entire country proud. We must be, equally aware about all these things. She also deserves our attention. She deserves our applauds, right? And praises and fan following and admiration, because they are also taking equal efforts as much as our cricketers. Yes, cricketers are taking efforts, no doubt in that. I do love them. I do follow them. But yes, these athletes are also equally important for all of us, right? Yes or no, children? They are taking so much of efforts. We should know about them. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Right. And if anybody of you is interested in any kind of sports, of course I'm always there to support you, because that is, something different. Sportsmanship is a way of living life. It always helps us. Even if you become a national or international player, or you don't become, doesn't matter. But if you are a sportsman, you are a very good human being in your life. You know what is failure. You know what is winning and losing, being a part and parcel of life. So always follow some sports. It's very good. It's very important in our lives also. So yes, hats off to Mirabai. Thank you for her for bringing the laurels to our country. And that's all for the day. We'll stop over here. Tomorrow is a Sunday. I may or may not take a class. But in our next lecture, we'll start with arithmetic progressions, AP. Linear equations, have they started in your school?
no
No, sir.
Triangles
coordinates
is going
geometry.
on. Triangles is going on.
No, it is completed, sir.
Coordinate
Coordinate
geometry.
Fine. And in Vathar school, what is going on?
Yes, sir. Sir has started that lesson.
Which?
Linear equations.
Okay. And in Bachpan school? Podar school, trigonometry is going on. Fine. Okay. So according to the requirement of the syllabus, we will do it. Okay. Chalo. Goodbye, all of you.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.